We're here in JFK, about to board a flight to Arizona. Shliach for Yom Kippur. We're going to do some Mivtzoim. See how it goes. You did the tefillin today? You ever heard of tefillin?
I have.
You did it today?
I did not do it today.
You did the tefillin today? You ever heard of tefillin?
I'm sorry?
You ever... Excuse me?
Sorry?
I was wondering if you did the tefillin today. You know, Jewish men do tefillin. I'm asking if they did the tefillin. You happen to be Jewish?
I am.
Are you Jewish by any chance? You know if he is?
No idea.
No problem. Have a good one. Heard of tefillin? Hi. You did the tefillin today?
No, thank you.
Good. Are you Jewish by any chance? You did the tefillin today? Shana Tova. It's the Jewish New Year. Shana Tova. Shana Tova. You did the tefillin today?
Sorry?
You did the tefillin? You know what tefillin is? Jewish men put on tefillin.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Yeah, so there's tshuva. You know we have to get involved. You did the tefillin?
Excuse me?
Are you Jewish by any chance?
No, I'm
Oh,
not
it's Jewish New Year.
Oh, well.
God bless.
Oh, thank you to you as well.
Thank you. Camel. You did the tefillin today? You did the tefillin today? Hi, how you doing? You did the tefillin today?
What?
You did tefillin today? You ever heard of tefillin?
I can't hear it.
Oh, no problem. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yom Kippur?
Oh, you know it.
We have friends of
Jewish?
ours. We have friends of ours, yeah.
Shana Tova. You did the tefillin? Before Yom Kippur, we're doing tefillin with everyone. The big mitzvah.
What are you doing? I'm Jewish.
It's not exactly what I grew up with.
Right.
Conservative.
Right.
So I like to go where my grandchildren are.
Oh, that's cool. Take your grandchildren to Chabad. That's a good idea. Have a sweet New Year. Easy fast. Amen. Amen. You too. Thank you. Did you get a chance to do tefillin today? You know, Jewish men put on tefillin. Are you Jewish?
No.
God bless. Jewish New Year. Have a good one. Thank you. Tefillin today?
No, please leave me alone.
Mitzvah dance?
Hi, sir.
Adonai Eloheinu.